2011 Sonata. Has a broken mirror. And what I did, I just went on carpart.com and I got the same color code. A lot of people will tell you you got to buy a new one and get it painted and all this stuff, and you never have to do that. Mirrors are really easy to replace. A girl could do this. You go on carpart.com and you just get the right color code. That's on the door right here. This says paint code Z3. So when you go on carpart.com, anytime you need a body panel or a mirror or something, you just go on there and you look for the right paint code and just do the dang thing. These are really easy. Anybody can do these with a damn MacGyver wrench in a screwdriver, basically. First thing, there's a panel right here. You just get something in here, a screwdriver or something, and you just pop this thing out. And then there's 3 bolts right there. You take those out. They're 10 millimeters. Yeah, I think I got this mirror for like 78 bucks with shipping. There's a plug somewhere on here. Ooh, it's way down in here. Uh-oh. Oh, that might be a fun one to get at. See if I can pull it out. Ooh, I can. Ooh, there it is. I'm awesome. Rock and roll. Yeah, unplug this bad boy. Most of your mirrors come out the same way. They're really easy to do. There's a little thing here. Little funky needle nose. Pop that out. There. Out with the old, in with the new. This is still on here. I gotta pop this off. There. Just like that. Oh, power's got to be on. Oh yeah, it works. You're golden.
Cool.
It's that easy. So yeah, if you're a girl and you got a boyfriend, you can just do this yourself and give him the middle finger. And there you go.